Hello, welcome to this, is it 13th or 14th video in this training series? I can't really remember, but anyway, welcome whatever the number is. And what we're doing here is I'm just going to show you how to set up a Cloudflare, which I assume you've read the chapter 6, which is all about this. So hopefully you know what Cloudflare and a CDN is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to set up a website on using Cloudflare. Okay, so apologies again for the blurring, but sometimes it needs to be done. Now you can see, well, you might not be able to see this. This is a blue button. I'm going to just add the site there. Now, the site is HTTPS. I should have copied this, shouldn't I? But never mind. I'm going to do my awkward typing. Technology for Technophobes.com. Okay, so got that. Now you have to add the site, obviously, by clicking this button. Oh, what have I done wrong? Oh, apologies. We don't need that bit. You just put this in. So you don't put in the HTTPS. Here we go. And it's going to ask you what you want to do, but because this is just personal websites and blogs, you can just do the free one. Now the Cloudflare is scanning the site and it's going to tell me lots of things. Now don't worry about all this, this just comes from the cPanel and stuff. Just keep going down and you'll see at the bottom a button, so click continue. Now it will tell you that you need to change the name servers. Now don't get nervous here because it's quite easy to do. Now I've already come on to the name servers here. If you don't, log into Namecheap, go to the dashboard, click on manage for your domain. We've done all this before, so I'm not going to show you again. And when you click on manage, you come to this, and your name servers are for Namecheap web hosting. Now what I want you to do is change them. So we're going to put custom. All right, now go back and you can see name server 1 here. So click on that, Control C to copy it, or right click, do a right click and press copy, Control V. Okay, go back, do the same for this. I read somewhere, sorry about this, this is the annoying, I still haven't fixed my mouse, so Control C and Control V. Okay, now remember to click the green tick, mark for that, and it should, there you go, it's got a little sign here saying might take up to 48 hours. I don't think it does. It doesn't take anything like that. Now once you've done it, you can press to check. Now what it will say is that it's not, you see it's saying recheck now. So if you recheck, so here technology for Technophobes.com is now queued up to be rechecked. So basically just let it do its thing, because it will. Trust me, it'll do its thing, and you will be on the sort of CDN without even noticing it. It'll just happen, and this will just mean that means that your website, it gives your website a bit more oomph. Is really all it does, and it helps, and it makes it faster for GT metrics and for Google. So this is done. I'm going to stop there because there's no need to do any more. You've now set up the CDN, so well done indeed. I'll speak to you again soon. Bye bye.